The flooding all morning. She joins us live now with the latest. Amy?
We are live along Plum Creek in Penn Hills, and look at this. You can see two cars here that washed down the creek overnight when it flooded, and now they're stuck in front of this bridge, which is Leechburg Road. There are also two dumpsters stuck here. One you can't see underneath the bridge. The other was just removed by a tow truck. And we actually saw a woman out here earlier this morning looking for her car. She said it washed away from her apartment complex nearby. And this isn't all we've seen. We've seen a lot of people cleaning up this morning. They're cleaning up their businesses as well as their homes.
Is the building going to fall? Is the structure, I mean, it's,
While Mary Steele is overwhelmed by the amount of damage done to the inside of her business, Steele's Auto Service in Penn Hills, it's the outside of the business that concerns her most.
the hillside goes all the way out to the edge of the dirt. This was a whole hillside. This was full of brush. It was vegetation. It was, I mean, everything's gone.
The water from Plum Creek was so high it picked up these two cars and two dumpsters from a nearby parking lot. And not too far from here at Plum Creek Estates, the Allegheny County Swiftwater Response Team rescued 3 people from their mobile homes. Angela Joyce couldn't believe what she saw when she looked outside and saw the water rushing like rapids.
I was worried about the car, so I grabbed her, I grabbed my keys, and I started to go down the steps, and the water just, it took me down on my knees.
Scraping both of her knees in the process.
Thank goodness for the 2 neighbor boys in the back. I screamed, "Yeah, help." And then they came over and they got the dog and they got me out of here.
Claus Emmerling spent the morning looking for some things that washed away from his yard.
It was my grill and my rakes and my garbage cans.
And his chairs, which he ended up finding later.
I'm just happy I'm alive.
At least 7 people in total were rescued this morning by the Allegheny County Swiftwater Response Team. As for this mess, it is still unclear who will be responsible for cleaning all of it up and removing these cars. This bridge is a PennDOT-owned bridge. I reached out to PennDOT. They said that they're checking on that. Of course, we will let you know when all of this is cleared up and removed from the scene. For now, we are live in Penn Hills. Amy Wadas, KDKA News.